Okay, today I have a 2014 Ford Flex, and I am having a problem starting the car. What happens is you turn the ignition and the lights light up on the dash, but the car does not start until it'll pause for a long time. Sometimes it'll start right away. Let's see if we can get it to do it. Dash lights on. Click. Pause. No start. Let's turn it back off. Try it again. Try it again. Cannot hear the fuel pump kick on. Back in again. There it goes. After, what was that, probably 8-9 seconds? Starts up, no problem. But it happens every once in a while. It's been happening more often. I've heard everything from the ignition switch back in here to the cylinder connection to the switch is not hitting. I've heard that the ground could be loose somewhere between the ignition and the starter. So I'm just trying to figure out what it is. I'm hoping it's just the ignition switch, but I don't know. If anybody can help me out, please let me know. Let me shut it back off, take the key out, back in, see if it'll do it. Well, it starts right up. Now the engine is warm because we were driving a little while ago. We've been home for about half an hour. But it does it on cold start and warm start. Shut it back off. Try it again. Starting right back up. If anybody can help me, let me know.